Welcome to Max Trader Daily Excel Preparation. In this video, we are going to see how to collect everyday data and feed it in the Excel and save it. This Excel will be useful to know more things in one single click. Max Trader, our YouTube channel, like it, share it, subscribe it. What is Daily Excel? How it prepares? Daily Excel means we are downloading the data that has been given by NSE India and we are saving it in our own format. This Excel will be showing all the data of stocks trading in the NSE market in one single click. How to download this data? This data is available in NSE India website after 6:30 p.m. every day. After 6:30 p.m. if you go and see the quick links, you can download this data and we can open it in an Excel format. After opening it in the Excel format, we can save it in our own style. Now we can see how to download the data from NSE India. NSEindia.com. This is the official website of NSE India. Here we are going to get the data. In the downside, if you see, you can see quick links. In the quick links, you can see for investors. If you click this for investors, you will be getting this page. In this page, we are going to see equity market report. In the equity market report, first we are going to download this CM BAVA copy. So after clicking this, the data will be downloaded. This data will be containing about equity stocks. Now we are going to derivative market report. In that we can see F&O BAVA copy. We are just clicking this download button and we are getting the data. After clicking this, we are getting the download data in the Excel format. We will be getting two files. One is CM, the date. Another is F&O, the date. This is called as BAVA copy. Now we are going to open this BAVA copy. This is the data which we have downloaded from NSE India. Now here we are having all the data about equity market. In this we are getting all the stock details. Specifically we want only equity stocks. So we are going to filter the equity stocks. Now I'm going to put a filter over here and I'm going to select the series. In this, there are a lot of things: BE, BL, BS, Z. These are various types of stocks. In this, we need only equity. So we are taking out equity and we are keeping all the other things over here. After keeping all the other things, I am going to delete all these things because these things I don't want. I want only the equity data. So I am deleting this thing. Now, if I click here, once again, I'll be seeing equity data only. So the data which I want is only about equity stocks. So I deleted all the other unwanted things. Those things I'm not using every day. So I deleted those things. Now I have a data about all the stocks and the happenings on 9th April over here. Next file I'm opening is F&O data. In this, I'm going to get the data about future stocks, future index and options index, everything. In this, now I'm going to select, I'm going to put filter. Then I'm going to select future stocks. So I'll be getting data about all the future stocks for the next 3 months. In this specifically, I want only for the month of April, means I'm going to select April data. So I'm keeping ready the April data. April F&O stocks details, open, high, low, close, all details will be here. So I have kept all these ready. Now I'm going to prepare the Excel for the day. Now I prepared an Excel sheet to get the data from 9/4/2021. Now I'm going to equity BAVA copy. Here already I have filtered the equity stock details. Now I'm going to save. I'm going to copy this data from here to my Excel sheet. I have copied there. Now I'm pasting it over here. So I get the data. Next I'm going to my F&O place. F&O place, I have data about my stocks. I have taken open, high, low, close of all the stocks. I want only these columns. So I'm selecting this column and I'm going to paste it in my F&O sheet. For everything I have prepared, I have my own Excel sheets. In that I'm pasting it off. Every day I'll be copying the data from that place to here. Now I have feeded all the data. This will take only 1 minute in a day. So you are going to spend only just a minute to collect all the data. After collecting all the data, now I am going to see about Bank Nifty. What is the price it has opened, high, low, close. Now I am copying that data and I am pasting it in another place. Next I am going to Nifty. I am copying the data. I'm just copying it and I'm pasting it over here. After placing it, it will say what is the happening, how it is being closed. Everything is formula over here. So as per that formula, these things will come over here. In the cache data, I have prepared one VLOOKUP. As per VLOOKUP, if I want a stock, specific stock details, it will collect the data from the stock and give it to me. So in the case, first I want Aarti Industries. So I put in formula, that means VLOOKUP formula to find out the data from the list, and then it gives over here. This data, I'm copying it and I'm pasting it in the cache sheet. In the cache sheet, I am pasting the data which I collected from cache data sheet. So when I go to the first page, I can see all the data. After feeding the data, I get all the details in one single click. See here, I'm getting the data of cash on the left side and futures on the right side. If you keep like this formula will be helping you to find out how the stocks were yesterday. In the cash sheet, I have put on formula. This formula will say me which stocks are open high, which stocks are open low as per data. So when I click that place, I can see the stocks which were open low and open high on that date. In the next column, I can see how the stocks closed over here by color. If it is closed above the open, it will be in green color. If it is closed below the low, below the open, it will be in red color. This is the price change column. First thing, we have to collect the data in a proper way and we have to use it accordingly. Preparation of data is much important. We should not make mistakes when preparing the data. Here, by clicking on the single page, I can see that DLF is open and close same price. Open and close is on the same price. I can see over here, but other stocks were in red and green. So I can see this good buying stocks and good selling stocks for next day trading with the help of this Excel sheet. Within a single click, I can see what happened, how much the change was there, which stock has been moved up, which stock has been moved down. Regularly, you can see by this data. Here, I'm seeing only 33 stocks. So I have prepared this data for 33 stocks. If I go to the cash sheet, I can see about most of the stocks. So if I want, I can click which stock smallest to largest. So yesterday, the stocks which have moved up, which moved down, that thing we can get. MRF moved till 1020 points down. Like that we can see which stock moved up. We can see is Pfizer that went up to 230 rupees on a single day. Alchem moved above 122 rupees. All these data we can see in a single click. That is the usefulness of this Excel sheet. You can prepare your own Excel every day and you can use it for your calculations and you can watch it. So friends, you can use this and trade accordingly. This data preparation is to find out the data about the stocks in a single click. You can prepare your own data analysis. You can use your own formulas to much more data. First thing, you should be knowing how to download the data from nseindia.com to use it properly. So I feel that this video is useful for you to download the data from NS India and prepare your own Excel. If you have any queries, you can call us. This video is useful to prepare daily Excel, I feel. If you have any doubts, you can call us on this number for more clarification. Thank you.